science is known as material science. Material science means which studies matter. Matter means dead. Therefore, material science is dead science. But who is studying the dead matter? A dead body cannot study a dead matter, but the living person within the body studies the dead matter. And that living person is known as spirit soul. And that soul has the power to control the mind, which is just a virtual entity or a matter. If you think deeply, you are not a lump of matter or a bag of blood, flesh, bone, urine or stool. You are superior to this body. You are spiritual living within this material body. In reality, the body is dead, but the soul within the body makes the body to move and work. Just as the presence of a driver in a car makes the car to move and work. Windshield is there, but the windshield has no power to see, but the driver sees through the windshield. Similarly, the soul sees through the eyes. The driver hears, not the car. The soul hears, not the ears. The driver speaks, not the car. The soul speaks, not the mouth. The driver tastes, not the car. The soul tastes, not the tongue. The driver smells, not the car. The soul smells, not the nose. The driver feels, not the car. The soul feels, not the skin. The driver thinks, not the car. The soul thinks, not the mind. The driver plans, not the car. The soul plans, not the intelligence. The senses are just a medium through which the soul experiences different types of objects and emotions. In a dead body, there are eyes, but they can't see because the seer is not there. The ears are there, but they can't hear because the hearer is not there. The nose is there, but it can't smell because the smellier is not there. The tongue is there, but it can't taste because the taster is not there. The skin is there, but it can't feel because the feeler is not there. Therefore, the seer, the feeler, the smellier, the taster, the thinker, the planner is different from the body. And that personality is the spiritual personality living inside the dead body. And that spiritual personality has the power to control the mind. Just as a driver controls the direction, the speed and the destination, similarly the soul controls the mind, intelligence and the different senses. Just as the driver is trained to control a car, similarly the soul must be trained with spiritual knowledge to control the mind. Remember, you are spiritual, but mind is material. You are living, but mind is dead. You are strong, but mind is weak. You have real power, but mind has virtual power. Therefore, you are more powerful than your mind. First of all, we have to understand this clarity, and we have to develop confidence that we are superior than the mind, we are more powerful than the mind, then we can able to control the mind. Hare Krishna.